Hello and welcome to the Amateur Cook. Today I'm going to be teaching my beginners how to chop okra. We call it okra in Nigeria, but it's written okra. Whatever, please let me know, how do you pronounce it? Do you pronounce it as okra with an O or okra? Anyway, I'm going to be teaching you how to cut it in 3 different ways. So you should go through your okra, or you can even do it as you're picking each one's cut. If it's hard, then it means the okra is not good. Put that away. All the soft ones, those are the ones you should actually be chopping up. It will definitely help with your Nigerian okra soup. The method I'm actually using to cut my okra is pretty self-explanatory, so just watch me and just do as I do. I've split that into 4 different parts. I'm going to split another one again. That's a tip, by the way. If you're trying to cut, like if you're in a hurry, you can split multiple okras into 4 and just put them together and just chop. Like, to save you a lot more time instead of going through all of them individually. So you can cut it tiny the way I'm doing, or you can cut it in chunkier form, like in chopping chunkier way. It's all up to you. So yeah, that bottom part, you should definitely throw that away because it's not edible. So I've just shown you the first way to cut okra. The first way to cut okra, and I'm going to show you another way. Instead of splitting this into 4, you just start chopping. You can make them chunky, you can make them skinny or tiny, whatever word you want to use. Just cut it the way you want. It just comes out, whole. As a whole, it's not like, scattered. Guys, I'm finding it difficult to get words from my vocabulary. But yeah, so this method I just showed you is another way to cut okra. You can see how it is. It's whole, like a star. Not really a star, but sort of. That's one way you can cut your okra. It's good to use one method in your pot of soup. Moving on to the final way I like to cut my okra. Actually, to be fair, you can mix it, you can cut it in different ways, and just doesn't really matter. It's not like it's that visible. Well, if it's chunky, it's visible. But anyway, this is the final way I like to cut my okra. I just split it in half and chop. So it just comes out as half of a star. My choice of words are just cracking me up. Anyway guys, that's pretty much it. You can see what it looks like. Whatever shape you want to use, you can go ahead and use. This is how I like to cut mine. These are the different ways I like to cut my okra. So anyway, that's it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.